control. Hey, guys!
Hello.
Sporticus is gonna play football with us.
I'm already there!
Yeah!
My shoelaces!
Are you coming? Come on, come on!
My shoelaces are untied again.
Pixel, come on.
Wait, kids, are you ready?
Yeah, wait for me!
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Are you ready?
Yeah! 3, 2, 1, candy, 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 hike!
And Siggy, toss it to me.
Yeah.
Yeah!
And Pixel.
I got it!
Pixel!
Ouch.
Oh, man.
Where'd Pixel go?
Yeah, where is he?
I don't know.
Tie shoes now.
There he is! Huh?
Sorry, guys, but I had to go back to my room to tie my shoelaces again.
Huh?
See?
Couldn't you just do that here?
Not unless I bring my shoe tire 6000 here.
You have a machine to tie your shoes?
Tie shoes now.
Huh? It moves. Huh?
Watch this.
Wow.
See? It's a pretty simple machine.
Oh,
Yeah,
yeah.
but Pixel, it seems like doing it yourself would be much easier.
I have a machine now that does it for me. Hey, I wish I had a machine that did everything for me.
Everything?
Behold, the one and only remote control 6000. With this, I can remote control anything.
Really?
Anything?
Anything.
Huh?
Try it out.
Rewind.
Wow! That's amazing! Hey, Sporticus!
Hi.
Guess what? Pixel's made a machine that can do everything for you.
Is that a good idea?
Yeah, I mean, he said it'll even do my homework for me.
Really?
Well, gotta go, bye!
Bye.
I'm ready to do my homework.
You got it. How fast do you want to go?
As fast as I can.
Well, here you go. Fast forward.
I'm done!
Yeah.
That machine is the greatest.
Play baseball.
Yay!
Let's do that again.
Ziggy?
Cool. You want to try now, Stephanie?
Pixel, this is boring. Can't we play?
That's what we're doing.
No, I mean with our hands, our feet, our bodies.
Yeah, this is no fun, Pixel. It's like having someone else eat candy for you.
Guys, what's so bad about having a remote control that does everything for you?
What? This machine is the answer I've been looking for.
With this thing, I could... Dare I say it?
Remote control Spartacus forever.
If this remote control makes me lose my best friends, then I don't want it anymore.
Remote control.
Hey, what's going on?
Sporticus!
And the mayor.
Uncle, he's frozen too!
Think fast. Freeze.
Oh, no!
Bye-bye, Spartacus. Fast forward. Ha! Oh, no!
Huh? Whoa! Play. Volume up.
All right!
I found an even more incredible machine.
Not again.
No, guys, it's my body.
Ah,
And the more you use it, the better it gets.
Yeah! I think I better turn this thing off. Oh! Yeah!